important part of the Trimoterm Revit BIM library are schedules. We have different schedules, cutting lists for panels, corner elements, mullions, etc. In this list, SNV cutting list is missing, so we copy and paste it from the SNV start file. One important schedule is Trimo panel limitation warning schedule. Before exporting cutting lists, we look for issues. Since we were changing joint elements, most corner elements did not adjust. We can update some in the schedule. We will make all corner elements 520 mm. This value cannot be adjusted here. One leg of the corner is too long anyway. Let's move the grid line. Let's assign this corner the position C1. In the structural framing schedule, we can see the top parapet thickness is not the same as the panel thickness. Highlight the element in the drawing. Select all instances in drawing and correct the thickness value to 200. In the panel cutting list, we see one of the panels has an unusual modular width. First, we highlight the panel. We will manually correct the panel. First, unpin and select the cut panel with groove. We can add a note, cut on site. Back in the cutting list, we can add some more data, like priorities and panel positions. We can assign facades or priorities. For example, let's set the south facade panels as first priority. Delete the first priority note from the corner elements. On File tab, go to Export and select Reports and then Schedules. Save the file. Open an empty Excel file and under the Get and Transform Data group, go to the Data tab and click Get Data from Text CVS. Import data. Copy this table to the Trimoterm FTV cutting list. Here we need to do some editing. We have a note here. Cutting below 2000 mm subject to additional charge. We can make a longer panel with a note to be cut on site. Let's join this position as well. Add the missing panel information. Thank you for watching. You are welcome to check the rest of the series.